So I recently did a review trash talking the S Sukhumvit 36 by Singha Estate, coming up with fun lines like calling it a glorified mental asylum, and I got some positive feedback, particularly how people thought it was courageous of me to go out and do a negative review of a condo. And then I realized, yeah, that's right. Condo videos in Thailand never really speak their minds. They're just puff pieces to boost the sales of condos. And in my opinion, that is a huge disservice to the viewer because they're never given honest and real feedback on a project. And that is the purpose of my channel, which is to give honest and unbiased reviews of condo projects. If a place is good, I will say that it's good. However, if I think it is totally overpriced and horribly designed, I will trash it the way it deserves. By doing that, the person who wins in the end is you, the consumer. However, a friend of mine did point out that I just went on and criticized Singha, which is a monopolistic multinational company in Thailand where if they really wanted to, could turn around and sue me for defamation and they would win. Let me be clear, I have no personal beef with Singha except that I think their beer tastes bad. But in the end, I wish them all the best. And if I come across a condo project by Singha Estate that I genuinely think is good, I will give it a positive review. So before Singha starts parking vans in front of my place, I thought I would get in front of the story and pick a condo by Singha Estate that I thought was great and deserved a positive review. So in this video, I review the S at Singha Complex, and it is sick. From 250 to 300,000 baht per square meter, this place, unlike the other one I reviewed, totally deserves to be in the super luxury category. So I'm gonna go over the neighborhood, the condo's facilities, and then do a tour of the 1-bedroom and the 2-bedroom. Coming right up. So the S at Singha Complex is in a fantastic area, and here's why. Number one, it's located right at Singha Complex, which is a multi-purpose building which includes office space and retail space. So you could technically come down, go to your office, then after work go grocery shopping, and then go right back up to where you live. Man, what a spoiled Bangkokian you're gonna be. It is on Phetchaburi intersection, right north of Asok Montri Road. It is close to Phetchaburi MRT, which is Bangkok subway, but also it is near the ARL Makasan, which takes you directly to Suvarnabhumi Airport. So think about that. No more having to sit in a taxi in traffic, sweating all over because you're nervous about missing your flight. I know that everyone, me included, has been through that. And this totally saves us from that. Not only that, this area right here, in Makasan area, is going to be turned into Makasan Park. That is going to be a fantastic addition to the area. Coming on to the Singha Estate website, I click on to see the condo here, and I love the architecture. It's got its emblematic gold there where, yeah, it wants to remind us that it is Golden Singh. It is sleek, minimalistic, and futuristic. Completely stands out from the competition. Look at this. It's as if they didn't design this for humans. It's as if they expected that if aliens were to ever land in Bangkok, they wanted them to land right here because it feels just like home. Not only that, on the website, they actually provide you a virtual tour of the amenities, starting with the 37th floor, which is the pool area, and I'm going to jump into that right now. Launching in 3, 2, 1. Holy moly. You've got a 180-degree view of Bangkok. You can stand here and sweep your eye line and say, this is my kingdom. It is mine and it is yours. Cool, let's go inside and check out the bathroom area. Honestly, I don't get what this is, guys. It's this golden wavy tin foil that reminds you of beer. So they've got a nice onsen mineral bath overlooking Asok. That is so nice. So where else? Where else can we go to? On the Cloud Fitness. Whoa! Oh my God, this is a fully functional gym. Some other condos To be honest, it's like, man, don't even bother with the gym if you're not gonna put in real equipment. Like, just save us the money and we'll go to a gym membership. But this, it's got free weights, a boxing ring, rock climbing, pull-up bars, kettlebells, and then right across the hallway is a whole row of treadmills overlooking that gorgeous view again. I never get why gyms have to have so many treadmills. Don't you guys get how boring it is to be running on treadmills? Anyway, wow, that is just the facilities. We have a lot more to see here, so let's X out of this and go to the 36th floor. This is the hanging out room to look cool and take your IG picture, or you can use it as a meeting room. What is this? Wow, a little mini theater. You are so cool. Still, what is up with this golden tinfoil? I don't get this modern art. But okay, what is this here? A nice outdoor area to have social functions. That is really nice. And wow, you get is it a 360 view? Almost a 360 view of Bangkok. This is fantastic. What? What? They have a massage spa? You know what? You might actually still miss your plane flight because you're spending so much time having fun at this place. Let's actually look at a unit. So we're gonna go to a 1-bedroom, going in, launching in, 3, 2, 1, zoom. Okay, you walk in and there's this dedicated kitchen area that's completely separate from the dining area and the living room. This is smart that they actually had built-in chairs like this. So you can either have this as your dining area or you can convert this into a little office space if you wanted to. And then you've got your living room here. Wow. Oh, what? What? A bathtub looking into the bedroom. That is so romantic and kinky. And look at that glorious view. That view there. So you can have a bath here and gaze at the view or at him as the view. Wow, 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 wow. This is amazing. And you've got another window here to see a view. Jesus, this is amazing. Okay, wow, this is so cool. All right, they have another 1-bedroom. So let's see how this place is different. This is the regular 1-bedroom. Again, I like how you walk in and it's a dedicated kitchen space that doesn't impede into your living room. You go in here, again, there's your dining area. Here's your living room. Cool, cool, nice view there. You've got a balcony. You walk in here. Can you actually get here? You've got your master bedroom. Okay, it's smaller because this is a smaller 1-bedroom. Let's check out the bathroom here. Okay, it's got a bathtub that does not have a view here, so you're just in that dark corner. Not as romantic. They put some candles here, but no, I don't feel it. I don't feel it. I need the view. But still, it's okay. Let's look at the 2-bedroom and see what they got. Oh, Jesus. All right. Okay. Okay, I get it now. This is not a full Matterport tour. They plant you there and they just give you a look around. So you walk in here and then you've got your dedicated kitchen space here with the island, and then you eat your meal here, and then you've got your living room here. That's cool. And then down that hallway is the rest. So let's check out the 1st bedroom here. All right, 1st bedroom has a glorious view of a Seoul. Let's look at the 1st bathroom there. Okay, pretty standard, just a shower. Let's check out the master bedroom there. Okay, again, comes with this really cool bathtub here with a screen where you can see into the bedroom and out into the view. Okay, that's very cool of them. Let's look at the ensuite bathroom there. Okay, so you've got your shower, you've got a really nice view. So let's have a look at the pricing of these units by going to fazwaz.com. So their 1-bedroom starts at 36 square meters and goes for 9.3 million. That brings the price per square meter to 262,000. You can upsize into a 48 1-bedroom for 12.2, and that's a price per square of 256,000. The 2 bedrooms at 77 square meter start at 23 million, and that is a price per square of 298. So you're actually paying more per square meter when you go up in size, which is kind of weird. However, based on the really smart layout of the rooms, very good use of space. I love that separate kitchen space area, and I absolutely adore the facilities. There is so much to do there. It has a gorgeous pool area, 180-degree view of the city, not to mention that really cool UFO landing spot there. And remember that you are at Singha Complex. You go down and you can grocery shop. You have restaurants, and if you want to go to the airport, you just walk over to the ARL Makasan Airport rail link and whoosh, off you go to the airport without having to deal with traffic. Now this Singha Estate is a condo where you can actually charge super luxury prices on. If you want to check out this place for yourself and do a virtual tour, I've linked to it in the description. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.